y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we are going to make a chocolate cupcake, hopefully with a strawberry frosting. I don't have my other measuring devices right now, so we're just doing this. Got half a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and this recipe says 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla. No, man. At least a teaspoon, y'all. We're going to mix this up and then add the dry ingredients right on top here. I'm not going to get another bowl because I don't really have one at the moment. Better utensil would probably be good too, but it's all we got, y'all. It's all we got. Now we're going to add a cup of flour. I might try to use this one and just scoop it out. This is a half cup. 1 cup of flour. 1 cup of sugar. Oh, that seems like a ton to me. We're going to go with 3/4. A cup's just a lot. 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Such a strange amount. Might have to finally open my big box. Cocoa powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is dark cocoa powder too. 5-ish. We're going to have to bust it open, y'all. Ooh, almost 6. I'll have to refill that. Teaspoon of baking soda. I just need to go in, y'all. Could have been a little extra, I'm not sure. We're just gonna use this. Wants me to use separate bowls, but y'all, this is pretty much all we got. So we're just kind of shimmying it together here on top. And a half a teaspoon of salt. Might be a little extra, but that'll help. And we're going to combine this. Once this is combined, not over mixing, we will add a half a cup of hot water. And they say this is supposed to be very thin, but that is a-okay. That's how it's supposed to be. This looks like brownies. Have you ever had strawberry cake? Do you like it? Some of these lumps should definitely come out when I get that water in there. All right, y'all, I've got about a cup of water here. Hot water. We're going to slowly pour this in. I don't want to make a massive mess. I've got my oven preheated to 300 and we're going to bake this for about 20 minutes, give or take. A little more, and there you have it. I've got a couple little parchment liners here for regular sized and shaped cupcakes. All I have is a 6 cupcake tray. 6 count, I don't know. So I'll probably have to do 2 batches. She said it's going to be liquidy, but this is very strange. Hopefully it's good, y'all. It's a new recipe. All right, we're going to pour it into the liners, and since this is so thin, I have a feeling these liners are gonna not do too much. Oh boy, because these ones, the bottom is way bigger. This one, it's not. So I'm gonna remake these. I can use those for something else. Actually, y'all, I'm gonna check my place and see if we have liners. I may have bought them from a Dollar Tree or something. Couldn't find the liners I was looking for, but made a few more. Now I think I'm gonna use this tablespoon to fill these, hopefully without making a mess. We'll see how these go. Oh, not too bad. Hopefully they don't leak out and make a fat mess, so we need to hurry. It says fill them about halfway. These couple that I just made are kind of small, but no big deal. Lord help me. Just gotta keep going, y'all. Keep going. Might have to make a small regular cake or something because this is gonna take forever, y'all. That one might make a fat mess too. Kind of wish I had cupcake liners, but that's okay. This one's gonna be a hot mess. Okay, I better get these in before more chaos happens. All right, I have a 1/4 cup of butter, so half a stick in this bowl. I whipped it up with this fork. It took a while. It's really freezing right now. Now we are going to make a buttermilk frosting. I'm going to add a splash of milk, cap full. We'll see how much more we need. And we're going to add just a hair of lemon juice to make it actual buttermilk. Tiny little drop. We're just going to continue with this fork, and I'm going to put some powdered sugar in here. Whoa. These cupcakes came out of the oven. Took a couple batches to make, no big deal. And it helped warm the place with the oven going. Now the thing is, I followed a recipe and this didn't make much at all. Might have to whip up more butter. I wanted to half it, but I don't think that's gonna happen. The images on the recipe did look quite flat. Usually they dome, but I was like, oh well, we'll try it. It didn't have much baking soda or baking powder. The leavening sweetening agents. I was like, okay, no biggie. We'll try it at least. So it's really good. It's really moist, but didn't rise much. And it also said to fill the cups halfway. So I did. I even went kind of 3/4, which is what you're supposed to do, I thought. And they're still pretty small. So we'll see. I'm going to try this frosting. I'll probably need to add more milk so I can make a little bit more. And I want to try to make some strawberry with some extract I have, just because I have it. Otherwise, I would probably usually want to make a sauce with the jam. But with Valentine's Day, I want to try to, wow, some just came on out. I want to make it, hopefully it doesn't come out lemony. I want to kind of make it cute, pink, festive. Y'all, that is really good. Very buttery. We're going to add a pinch more milk. Wow, that's actually pretty good. I don't think I'm getting any lemon, just butter. It's quite sweet. So I think I'm going to frost a couple with this, and then we're going to try strawberry. All right, y'all. Here are the cupcakes. And then there's cupcake liners where they're just folded, basically. And I'm trying to make my own. I haven't purchased them. Never have before. So instead of cutting the lines, you kind of want to just fold it. Trying to find one. This one's just folded. Now I struggle with this because now in all these crinkles there's cake. But with this, the lines were cut way too deep, so I stacked them. But then you got like a 2-layer cupcake. So just gonna work with what we got here. And then this one's like a pancake. So these couple huge ones, we'll frost those. Put a little bit of frosting on there. My husband and I like a sweet treat, but we also don't need a ton of sweet. So I'm thinking this might be a good amount. Plop it on and spread it out. Getting a rustic look, y'all, obviously. The rustic look is obvious from here. Also, if I had a different spatula available at the moment, I would probably use it. We're just going to do a couple strawberries, and later I can do more if we like it. White is also cute. This one's a hot mess. Alright, y'all, we're gonna try this strawberry situation. I've never used strawberry extract before, just maple, peppermint, and vanilla. Smells incredible. I barely opened the cap, so hopefully only get a tiny pinch. Okay, it's actually kind of pink in color, kind of. It's kind of like brownish, orangish, I don't know. And God forbid I've got a drop of food coloring here. We're gonna add a tiny bit more milk. A little more. If need be, I can add a little bit more sugar and take some of this off also if I need. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Yo, that tastes good. It's a little hint of strawberry. Wow, I like it. This is the gel food coloring. Oh, jeez. I wanted pink, not red. It's okay. Some might still call that red. I mean pink. Cute, cute. I'm gonna add just a touch more sugar, powdered sugar. Got a few more cupcakes to frost, so it won't hurt. And I don't mind less butter. I really don't. And just mix that up. This will lighten the color too, I think. Beautiful. So pretty. We need more milk. Super thick. Just that tiny hair of extract is perfect. I'm gonna add just a pinch more lemon still, just a little drop. And with that lemon, the frosting might even get better as it sits. I think the cake will too. That's how the last chocolate cake I made was. Beautiful. All right, y'all, that's what we're gonna use. Very beautiful pink frosting. Can tell the difference in color there. I've got some sprinkles over here we can use. That one looks like a rose a little bit. Not on purpose. Can frost a few more. This one's messy. It's a struggle. This combo is kind of like a chocolate covered strawberry reverse vibes. Thought the two flavors would go together well. I mean, I love chocolate covered strawberries. I've just found that you gotta eat them right away, or the insides will get like gross, wet, soggy. Just not what you want. But I also don't have any of that stuff at my house. With just a couple simple ingredients, y'all, that a lot of people have at their home, you can make a delicious treat for your family that'll help them feel loved. We're gonna do a combo on this little guy. I've got quite a bit here. We're just gonna go in now with a tiny bit of some sprinkles. I don't really particularly like sprinkles, but these sugar ones aren't horrible. A lot of people love sprinkles. All right, y'all. It's before cute. I think that's beautiful. My husband actually loves sprinkles. Sprinkle them up, y'all. Kind of defeats the purpose of the white and white and pink, but it's beautiful. All right, y'all. There you have it. So cute. So cute. So simple. Festive. Simple. Delicious. Your family would enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, consider subscribing. Give this video a like and comment down below what you think or what you might do. Appreciate y'all for joining us in our kitchen. Peace out, y'all. Have a great day. Bon appetit.